In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Wix, which will allow your site to be accessible via a custom domain name of your choice. Your very first step is to access your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, you need to navigate directly to your website's dashboard. From the dashboard, you're going to look for the Settings option. Just click on it. Following that, look for the heading labeled Domains and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can manage all of your domain-related activities. What you'll need to do next is click on the option that says Connect a domain I already own. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your GoDaddy domain name. So go ahead and do that. An important point to remember is that you must have a Wix Premium plan if you wish to connect a custom domain. As soon as you have confirmed this and entered your domain name, Wix will provide you with specific name servers. Keep this information safe because you'll need it in the subsequent steps. Now let's shift focus from Wix to GoDaddy. Similar to what you did with Wix, get yourself logged into your GoDaddy account. Here, you'll need to go and find your domain list. From the domain list, identify the specific domain you wish to connect and then select its DNS settings. As soon as you open the DNS settings, search for the Name Servers section, and then opt to either change or enter my own. This is where the specific name servers come in that Wix provided earlier. All you need to do is copy the name server's information from your Wix account and paste it right in the corresponding fields in your GoDaddy account. Once you've pasted the relevant information, you'll need to save these changes. There is quite the possibility that you may see a warning message about changing name servers, but worry not. Just confirm it and move ahead. After you've completed this, it's time to finalize the connection. For that, you'll need to return to your Wix account. Here, you'll see a button that says, I've replaced my name servers. Go ahead and click on it to verify the changes you've made. Once you've clicked this, the connection is in place. However, it's important to keep in mind that this connection can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Don't worry if it's not immediate. You can easily track the status on the domain management page in your Wix account. And there you have it. Now you know how to connect your GoDaddy domain name to Wix.